Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we're going to make something a little bit different. It's going to be very quick. It's an appetizer. We have a lot of twist sections in our website, and appetizer twist is one of the sections. Today we're going to make Melon Prosciutto Appetizer. And I'm only going to make it for two. So you can make it in a larger portion. I'm just going to make it for the husband and I. So let's get started. So I have cut the melon, honeydew melon, and I've cut it about 1.5 inches or 1-inch cubes, whatever you'd like to call it. So I just want to place them on the plate, and we're just going to pull it together. So I want it to look pretty. So that's the way I did that. So first thing, we get our melon down, okay? Next thing we're gonna do, fresh basil. I've already washed it. And we need basil on each piece. So we're gonna get our basil. I like a lot of basil, so basil. So we're gonna do our basil first. These are big basil leaves. Kind of cool. Basil. Basil. We have to decide what side we want to put that. Here's your basil. This is great. You're having a party, or you know, your neighbors are coming over, or you need to just pull something together real quick, have a quick platter. So that's why this is so easy. And these are also ingredients you probably have in your house. And so I want to taste the basil, but I don't want the basil to take over. So there we go. And now we have our basil. So just got regular prosciutto from the store. I have some of it wrapped already, but I want to show you how I am going to wrap the prosciutto. So I'll just take off a slice. You can do it heavier if you want. I like half a slice on each one, but basically I like to trim the little fat on the edge, and so I'm just gonna fold it and I'm gonna trim the edge. Okay, so as I trim it, I would like about half. I don't want the pieces too big. And so, like this, and I'm just gonna fold it, and fold it, and then bend it in half. And that's it. On this piece, same thing. We'll pull it together, and we're gonna fold it. I would like it to be neat. So, in my case, I'm just gonna trim the edge. And I've already pre-done these, so to make it go quick. All right, and so there is a piece of prosciutto for each one of our pieces of melon. And now we are going to finish it with red grapes. Okay, so gotta have a toothpick, nice sized toothpick. You want to turn the grape down, hold it. There you go. It's simple, right? And again, you can make this. We used about half a melon to make this. And you want to have the pretty side of the grape facing up, so to speak. Really easy to, you know, prepare this dish. Even if you're going to sit in front of the TV and you want to have a glass of wine, and you want to have a little snack that's nice. Okay, we lost that one. So let's go back. See, I made that one on a slant. So that really looks great, okay? And however, we're almost done. We want to put a little bit of balsamic glaze, and I already have the balsamic glaze. I'm making it easy for myself. And so I took the lid off and I need it. So I am just going to drizzle on each one. And I just have a little touch right there. There we go. This is Melon Prosciutto Appetizer. It was that simple, that easy to make. Thank you for making Melon Prosciutto Appetizer with us today. Please hit the notification button. Please subscribe and tune in to find out what we will twist next. Look for our website, www.shellyscuisine.com, for the recipe.